Welcome, here I've got Poco M3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button here from the right. So hi again, and now let's move to the right corner to this button. By tapping on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left to this button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings, and here at the second place we have the mirror front camera option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.